Hello guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalechi Augustino Korean. Today I'm going to be showing you something new. I am so sorry for taking this long to post a YouTube tutorial, but please bear with me. Hopefully this one makes up for all the time that I've wasted. Now today I'm going to be showing you a special test effect. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve um, something like something like this something like this, okay, with the borders around, something like this too. Okay, it's not here. It's okay. I think it's here. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this type of effect, and it's not just applicable to text alone. All right, I'm going to show you another. Here is it again. It's really beautiful and can help you if can help you if you want to create like a caption or a heading. Okay, this particular effect will come in handy. So I'm going to be using this. This was something I did for a client. Okay, how to turn Facebook followers into buyers. So I'm going to be using this particular text. So I'm going to copy it. Just copy it and where are we? So create a new design. Create a design. Use Instagram post. Use Instagram post, and then I'm going to paste it over here. We're waiting. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this so it fits in. Okay, so make this a little bit dark. So now I want to use a different color. So let's say this would be orange. Let's use this orange, or yes, this would do. This too would be orange, just give a little bit variety. So this is white, and this is white, and this, I'm going to remove that effect, the color of this effect. I'm going to take you off right now. Yes, done. Do the same for this. Take away the color of the shadow, use something like this, and do the same, something like this. So we have how to turn Facebook followers into buyers. Okay, so just watch the magic I'm going to do. Some of you might be used to this, others might not know about this feature. So now we have this. This is a text. Is a text. This is a graphic element, and this is a text. This is also a text. So to apply the feature that I want on this text and graphic element, the first thing I'll need to do is I'm going to download it. Let me change this to, instead of brown, let's make it a little bit dark. So this, do the same for this, change this to something a little bit darker, and apply the same thing to this. Okay, so great. Now I'm going to download this as a transparent background. Okay, just once download, and we're going to wait for it. Remember, you can only do this if you have a pro account. When I said have a pro account, that's when you can download as a transparent background. But if you don't, then you can always use remove.pg. So we'll go back to downloads, and then we're going to upload it back into Canva. So we have this. How to turn Facebook followers into buyers. So remember, this is not a text, so you can apply it both on a text and a graphic element. So we have how to turn Facebook followers into buyers. We're going to create a new page, and then we're going to bring it as an image right here. Reduce it. I think I need a beautiful background for this. No, too dark. I think this would do. So click on the image, go to edit image, come over to shadows, click on glow. Okay, click on glow, and it's a little bit dark. Now click on glow again. You can change the color. Let's use maybe yellow. no, or white. Let's use white. So we've selected white as the color. Now you're going to increase the size a bit, reduce the blur, reduce the size a bit, something like this. Then increase transparency, reduce it a bit, just a bit, just a bit. Increase the size, something like this. Let's check the color again. Let's try orange, blue. So you can just play around with the colors. I think this looks good. Okay, better than the whites that we use. A little bit darker, something darker, but this. So we have blue. Can always play with it, make it darker, just increase it, something like this. You can make it lighter. And when you're done, now you can just increase. Maybe if we use this on a light background, it's going to look nice. So this was how I was able to, you can just play around with the colors. Okay, you can play around with the colors. That's how I was able to achieve this. Canva Made easy. Okay, and that's how I was able to, okay, it's not here, it's this and this, sorry, this one also, and then this one. So till you get the desired outcome that you want, you can just play around with this. I don't think this blue is giving me what I want. So if I want to do something different, I'll just go over to the image again. The image again, delete this, and edit image, shadow, click on glow, reduce, you have to reduce the blur to maybe 1, increase this, increase the size, make this a little bit dark blue, then click on apply. When you click on apply, you cannot change it again. You're going to have to go over and start it again. So we have how to turn followers into buyers. So this is how I was able to achieve something like that. Now that's not all I have for you today. I'm going to delete this and then show you another effect that you can try. So let's go back to, let me use Canva, C-A-N-V-A, and then use the font that is bold font. Bottom, make it bold. So we have Canva. Now I'm going to click on effect, change the color, change the color, something like this, this. Click on effects and apply the shadow effect. Increase the blur a little bit. Increase the blur, make this a little bit darker. Too much, too much, too much, too much. Something like this. And then I'm going to duplicate this, then click on effect, and instead of shadow now I'm going to use hollow. Then change this, the color of text to white, and then see, I use this particular effect. It's really nice. So you just give it a little, just give it a special and unique feel. You can still play around with it. So I just showed you 2 ways you can manipulate text in Canva. I hope you try it out in your designs and I hope it comes out great. So for now, bye bye. And if you're interested In my Canva class, you can always register. It's just it's $20 if you're registering from overseas, and it's 10,000 naira if you're registering if you're in Nigeria and you want to register. So if you're interested, just send me a message or drop a message in the comment section, and I'll send you a link that you can use. So for now, bye bye. My name remains Kalechi Augustino Corey, your Canva guru. They call me Odogo Canva. Bye bye for now. And also, if you need a Canva designer, you can always send me a message, okay? And you can also send me a message, and I will send you a link to my portfolio. And if you're satisfied with what you see, we can get to work. Trust me, that'll be the best decision you'll be making. So for now, bye bye, and see you later.